All right.
Okay, chemistry experiment. So we have an untreated piece of marble here, meaning the marble was just installed. We don't have any protection on the marble. This is a piece of marble that has a resin treatment on it. So this keeps the stone from etching and staining, and we want to preserve the surface of the stone. This piece here looks the same as the resin, but there's a film applied to it. So this is the film. Okay, so we have two different conditions, resin and film. So this is the experiment. So I'm going to take some phosphoric acid, which, this is our example of lemon or sriracha or anything that could take a countertop out. So there we go. So we're going to let that sit. We're going to do the same thing on the resin surface, and then a few drops on the film surface. So we're going to let that sit for a minute or two, and then we're going to clean the surface, and we'll find out what we have going on here. Okay, thank you. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and clean the surface on the untreated marble. Okay, so I'm going to clean that off.
Ooh, you can see that little circle there still.
Yep, we'll come back to that.
Okay.
Okay, this is the resin surface, and this is the film applied to the marble. Check this out. Right there. So that is a perfect example of why we treat stone after it's installed.